Organizing your home is one of those nagging problems that are not easy to solve. Thankfully, there are solutions to this problem in form of different methods or products that help you to keep your house organized. Here are some of the best products that will help you organize your entire home. 1. A hair tool organizer that'll keep your curling iron, hair straightener, and dryer from taking over your counters. It comes with hooks, so it can be hung on the cabinet or left out on your vanity as is. 2. A bedside caddy for storing common nightstand clutter, but mainly so you don't have to constantly get out of bed to grab the remote. The audacity! 3. A wine glass holder for conveniently storing your finest stemware. You're about to have so much empty room in your cabinets, you won't even know what to do with it all. 4. A narrow storage cart so you can slip into small areas so you have plenty of space for all your must-haves. Bye-bye, tiny bathroom woes. 5. A small wine rack to hang under your cabinets because having vino in an easy-to-reach place is adult rule number 1. This will also take you like 5 minutes to assemble, and I will cheers to that. 6. A stackable drink vessel rack to finally organize your never-ending collection of water bottles. My wish is that you can now quickly grab a bottle without the rest tumbling out on you. 7. Stackable storage boxes with a clear plastic lining so you can see what you have without having to mess up your perfectly folded sweaters by rummaging through everything. 8. A hanging drink station if you always wanted a bar cart but don't have the space. Now you can get into the cocktail spirit and whip up some artisanal drinks right in your home. 9. A hanging purse organizer with a clear encasing to make selecting a bag the easiest part of putting together an outfit. 10. A cup holder caddy ready to save your car from the all-too-common mess of cell phones, pens, chapstick, glasses, change, drinks, and I can keep going. 11. Clever wallet or sunglasses tray that can snap onto a wire shelf and give your important accessories a better home than the bottom of your purse. 12. A stylish driftwood jewelry organizer for keeping your necklaces and bracelets in neat order. No messy tumbleweed of chains here. 13. A magnetic rack that simply sticks to the side of your fridge and provides bonus storage space for your most used goods. 14. An adjustable hanging rod to instantly double the room in your closet. Because what do we love? Clothes. And what do we want? More clothes. 15. A boot organizing system with handy clips for keeping your larger shoes from flopping over and losing their shape. Plus, it keeps them off the floor and gives you even more room for smaller pairs underneath. 16. A rubber key organizer that'll save space, keep your belongings from getting scratched, stop the annoying jingling, help you find the one key you actually need, and holy moly, this is a tiny but mighty invention if I do say so myself. 17. A 3-tier wrap organizer because no one thinks there's a great way to organize their mountain of aluminum foil, baggy boxes, and plastic wrap. But this little guy proves otherwise.